Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
First, download and install Oracle Virtualbox on your host computer today. Use the official installer for Windows, Mac OS, or Linux and follow prompts. Next, obtain a Windows XP ISO image or original install CD plus a valid product key. Verify the XP ISO integrity before use. Allocate resources carefully. Assign at least 5 GB RAM and 10 GB virtual disk space to the VM. Set chipset to PX3 and enable I/O APIC for compatibility. Disable EFI boot and use IDE controller for the virtual optical. Open VirtualBox and click New to create a fresh virtual machine instance. Name it Windows XP and choose Windows XP 32-bit as the operating system. Allocate 1536 MB RAM to balance host and guest performance. Create a virtual disk using VDI format, dynamically allocated, and set it to 10 GB. In Settings, choose System and confirm PX3 chipset and enable I/O APIC. Attach the XP ISO to the IDE optical drive under Storage. Start the VM and follow the Windows XP setup screens to install. After installation, log into Windows XP and update basic settings and drivers. From the VirtualBox menu, insert Guest Edition's CD image and run the installer inside XP. Reboot the VM to apply improved graphics, mouse integration, and shared folder support. Assign 1 or 2 CPU cores and enable VTX only if your host supports stable virtualization. Configure shared folders with a specific host path and map a network drive in XP. Finally, create a snapshot so you can revert to a clean state after changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.